Yo guys, welcome back. This is HumbleFx, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we were able to take this trade on the VIX 150x. All right, so I'm going to tell you how we got this sniper entry on this VIX 150x, and this trade was sent to the VIP room. All right, this trade was sent to the VIP room yesterday. This is a trade we took yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how we were able to get to this particular point. Okay, so now let us get to the business of today. And before we proceed to this video, I got a comment saying that whether the Dapo Willis course I'm selling, either it is real, or the DAX strategy and the Habby Forex course I'm giving you guys for $10, whether it is real or not real. I do not want to bring it that for you guys if it's not real. So if you want to get the DAX strategy, you want to get the Habby Forex strategy, you want to get the Willis Forex Mastery course, all these things are available right now. I got them because I want to give you guys at the lowest possible price. So for each of these courses you want to get it, you are going to get them for just $10 each. And if by a chance you want to get all the three at the same time, you want to leverage on the three and master these three top courses, I will give you the three of them at once for just $20. So these are the offer I'm giving to those of my community members. That is, you that are my subscriber, you get that as a bonus. You get the three of them for just $20. And you want to get the HumbleFx hit strategy version 2, is also available for $20 and all that. So you can also get that one too for $20. And remember, our account management is also in progress. You can join the account management platform for equity. List equity is $100, and the profit share is every week. Okay, and that is that about that. Also, the VIP is also available for that. For now, the VIP is $10 for a month. Now let's get down to the business of today. So this is VIX 150x, right? So let me go as usual. I do go to higher time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. So I had to change my background to a white background so that you guys can see my chart clearly. So let me take out this box I drew here so that you get the points what happened here, so that I actually don't get a wrong message about the chart. So I'm trying to delete all the things in the chart. So right now we have a clean chart right now. Okay, right now we have a clean chart. So what did we see before now? The trade we took here, the trade was around here when we take that trade. Then let me make this thing let me fill up the box here so that yeah, it's filled up. So this is where this was where the market was when we came to the market, right around this particular point right here. I think this color is not good. This color, this blue color, you don't see anything here. So let me see if I can change the color of that to something like this, so that at least you can see the candlestick here. So this is where it was. So we have gone to the higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, or day time frame, as the case may be, day time frame. And when we get to the day time frame, if you look clearly, let me take out that box again. If you look clearly here, you see something here. This is a different pattern altogether. You see these two candles here, these two candles, the bullish and the bearish candle. These candles, I think I forgot the name they call it, maybe the morning star and other, but I forgot the name. But what you need to learn is not the name of the candlestick, but the psychology behind the candlestick formation. That is what you want to understand, not the name. So this candlestick here, what is the psychology behind this candlestick? If you look clearly, you see that the bullish candlestick here, okay, formed. Now you see the bearish candlestick here also formed. So these things here are equal. These two candlesticks, I think this is called a morning star. I don't know. I don't forget. I've forgotten the name of this candlestick though. But this is the psychology, or the squeezed pattern. So the names are just, sometimes I forget the names, but I know the psychology behind them. So you see that this candlestick, they are equal. The wick down, the upper band, they are all the same. Like if you check the upper part of the upper part of the candles, they are the same. So they are equal in size, So what happened next? The next candle that formed closed bullish as well. if you, I don't know how, I cannot zoom my chart very close again. If you check the candle that formed next, the next candlestick that formed, it closed above the two of them. That means it actually engulfed the two of them. Okay, so and it's on day time frame. It's on day time frame. Remember, so that is a confirmation that this is going to work out as a buy, a bullish market. Remember, it's already is selling. It's already is selling all the way down. So this is actually a pattern of reversal. All right, this is a pattern of reversal. So if I go down to 4 hours time frame, if I go down to 4 hours time frame right now, so you see the line I drew from the, let me make that line bold so it can be visible. I don't know if you are seeing the chart clearly. The line I drew on this place. The line I drew here. Let me make it big enough so it will be visible. So the line I drew here is the line I drew from the day time frame where the day time frame closed. And then you see what happened here. The markets retested on the 4 hour time frame. The first candlestick that we are looking at here is this particular one. You see this candlestick here? That is the one we were looking at. That candlestick went ahead and did not close above that line. Remember, the day time frame closed, but this 4 hour candle did not close above. And we are intraday traders trying to catch trades. We just want to use the day time frame as our directional bias. We want to know where the market is going and all that. So we know that it's actually closed above in the day time frame, which means it's going upside. But in the 4 hour time frame, it's just at that point. So the candlestick closed bullish. Yes, it closed bullish. But remember, we want it to retest. The test, right? We want a retest for the market. Now the market had to just make a little retest. Now if you watch closely this thing here, we have this formation here. This is actually a pattern called W pattern. So this thing on a normal is you have to retest back to buy, and that's what's happened. That is what will take advantage right here. This trade was taken at early stage, and currently the market did some movements here before the buy. But guess what? The entry we got here, we got the entry actually on the M15. That is where we take the entry actually. Sorry, on the M15. That's where the entry. That's where we take the entry the first time. Now this is the entry. When we take the trade was around here. That is this zone here. That's our first entry. So when market came down to this zone here, that's, you see this, enter the second entry. All right. So the market was playing around this place, going up and down, and then formed a channel. Right about there, it formed a channel, right? But we know that we are going upside. Remember, now it formed this channel right now. It formed this channel. First time it was forming, it was like this. It was something like this. Okay, so I'm not trying to show you guys how this thing formed the first time before it now start to make a buy. I think I will try to get the exact pattern that formed before these things happened, because I know that it formed a pattern like this, a channel like this. I think so. Yeah. So I'm trying to get the exact pattern that formed before. That's why I did not want to clear that chart first time, because that's where I got the exact thing I needed to get. So this is it. If forms something like this, so it's now going in between this pattern. It's going in between here, up and down. So but we knew that in the high time frame is bullish, so we just had our trade. So after all of these things, there is a breakout of the M15, then they retest to this line again, and then we shoot upside. All right, so this is just simple and effective way. So in the M15 is where you get the exact sniper entry. On the higher time frame is where you get your directional trade, so you know where you are going for. And then on the lower time frame is where you now start to find your sniper entries. So this is just simple, and I don't know if you get the point. So here's my stop loss. If the price should go down to this point, I think it will actually go down a little, go down more. But right, trust me, we are going to our TP. You see our TP right there. That's our TP. We have like more TPs, like the TP around here, first one here, next one here, and then another. So this is just a long trade, and we can close at any time, So guys, if you get any point in this video, if you learn anything in this video, don't forget to give me a comment on the comment section. I would really appreciate that. Also subscribe if you're a newbie, and also give me a thumbs up in this video. It's very important. And remember, the Willis Forex Mastery course is still available for $10. The DAX strategy is also available for $10. The Habby Forex course is also there for $10. The hit strategy version 2 is also there for $10. The VIP signals is also there for $10. And if you want to get all of these things all together, you get all of them instead of paying bigger funds. You just pay $30 for all of them. All right, if you want to get 3 out of them, you just pay $20. This is an offer I'm giving to those in my community, and you being in this channel, you are part of my community, and you are liable to get it at this discount. So guys, this is offer I'm giving for a limited time. All right guys, see you in the next video, and until then, I remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.